Y'all already know what it is. Your boy AP. Tuned by AP. You already know I'm out here. Late night drive. Gassing up a little bit. Want to waste some gas for y'all boys and girls. Mainly boys, you know what I'm saying? Come out here. Night. Trying to look for that pack. So, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can find. Gas up real quick. You know you gotta put that 93. You already know. 93 for a good price right here. $3.97. Shit. As cheap as I've seen in the city, so you know what it is. Shit. Yeah. So shit, let's get to it. That's the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Your boy. Black Zorro. Like I said, we finna look for the pack. Every time I get new, I gotta say, mi gente. I already know. Tell me how I like red. I was playing with the blue and the green. But shit, I'm fucking with that red though. Yeah. I'm fucking with that red. I just put a little, you know, I just put a little gas in there real quick. Literally waste some gas to find this pack. So I got an idea where they might be at. So let's go find out. And if we don't find them, shit, we're gonna have our own fun. That's what it is. Late night drive. Tell me if y'all like when I drive in the nighttime, if I drive in the daytime. Y'all tell me what's up. I ain't gonna lie. Every time I gotta come way out here, boy, to come find these people, I be like, damn, why I came? It's a mission. Mission. Sometimes be worth it, sometimes it don't be. I'm gonna find out if it's worth it or not. Ball. But
this is Phase Music.
We gonna see. I'm gonna still give y'all a little quick little 1-2. You know I always gotta give y'all 1-2. Why not? Y'all ready? That bitch in a second. Second, hit the corner. What y'all think?
This is Phase Music.
Yeah, they ain't out here, so done with them. That was second gear right there if y'all want to know. Throw it in second, you get to have a longer slide. Shit, you need it even longer than that. Shit, throw it in third. But first is if you're trying to do like a little quick little U-turn, and then you know what I'm saying, you bump it to second, bump it to third. But I never threw it in third though, so I'm just thinking, you know. But second is good enough. Second, you going about 40. You know, ooh, shit, goddamn. Damn. You going about 40. Second gear. You going pretty fast, 40, 50. Yeah. It'll wake up pretty hard. If you don't know what you're doing, don't get up out of there.
This is Phase Music.
Don't get up out of there. So, stick to your first gear. Y'all ain't comfortable with it like that. But don't just do it and drive. I can say that much. You do it and drive, oh man, that shit gonna wake up so much. That's why these Mustangs be wrecking out. You gotta put that shit in Shiftronic. You have to. You ain't got no choice. This car behind me and shit, fucking up the rotation. I want to hit that corner slide right here. U-turn like that. It's got that blind spot. I can't see. Alright, it's over with. I'm gonna head back to the crib. I ain't gonna just spend all night just driving around looking for these guys. Fuck that. What y'all think I should do next? You know, contact will be around my Camaro SS. What y'all think I should do? Should I show y'all how to control the car, how to counter steer, what I did to it? I installed the wrap myself. I got some content on that if y'all want me to upload that. I do gotta change the wrap on my front fender. Somebody done hit my shit, so but they don't, so it got a little, it got a scratch in it, so you know what I'm saying. So alright, stop sign, you already know what it is. Let me see if the car coming. Ain't no car coming? Alright, I'm gonna get up out of there.
This is POV music.
Woohoo! Y'all like that? Y'all gotta get on that. You gotta stay in there. You gotta stay in there. If not, you're gonna be in there in somebody's yard, in somebody's tree. You gotta stay in it to win it. And right now, I was winning it. What y'all think? Y'all comment down below if your boy hit the corner pretty good. If y'all like how I hit the corner. You know what I'm saying? I know it's POV, but damn, I wish I had such and such following me right now, man, so you can see the back view. You know what else I'm gonna do? Just for y'all, I'm gonna invest in that 360 camera. Yeah, cause I needed that view back there. I needed that outside view. So it look like I'm playing the game like I'm on Forza right now. That boy on Forza right now. Late night Forza. That's what I'm gonna call it. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's gonna be the video. Late night Forza. Once I get the 360 camera. Yeah. And with that extendo rod, oh yeah. That thing gonna be out of that ball. Hey. Yeah. 360 camera, extendo rod. Yeah. That's what I need right now. That's what I need. Call me the wheel man. That boy hit the corner nice. Just so y'all know what that was? That was first gear into second gear. Alright, that was first gear into second gear. Once first gear did what it did, I threw it in second, finish it off in second. Once I wanted to straighten up, because I could have kept sliding up and down, but I didn't want to. You know, I ain't trying to really kill the tires like that. So once you want to do your thing, get off the gas, but lightly though, because if you get off it too quick, you're gonna snatch back aggressively. And pay attention to how you got the steering wheel. If you got that bitch turned, you're gonna go that way. The only reason you ain't wrecking out because it's still sliding the back like you're on ice. Once it catch grip, it's ugly. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Yeah, once you catch grip, it's over with for you. That ain't what you want. Goddamn car smell like straight tires and that shit. Hold on.
This is freezing.
So hot outside. Shit. It's crazy, man. So I was not successful to find the pack, but I still had my little fun though. You know, that quick little pop out. 1, 2, 1, 2, dancing. I feel good about it. Out to the crib. Ain't nothing out here for me. It would have been nice to see them boys though. Go shoot a movie. Shot a movie.
This is freezing music.
What y'all think I should do? Oh, the floor wet, so I gotta chill, boy. My whip. I need to go get some more wheels, cause I'm a little slick out here. So, see, about to wreck out in front of us. Y'all out here with these rear-wheel drive cars? Oh man, hey. Keep that shit, keep the wheels up or chill out when it's wet. Because it's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be ugly.